Hi friends, welcome to Sandhai Pechu. Good evening, this is Sandy and hope you guys doing good and be safe, and belated Diwali wishes from my side. And it's almost made 8 months since I started this channel, so I'm uploading the videos frequently, but couldn't do the videos almost like 3 weeks, so I'm sorry for that. Okay, today going to say a new strategy which is for mainly for intraday stuff. This strategy is for mainly for equity, and let's get back to the video. Before going to the video, please subscribe my channel for more updates and like it, share it, comment it, and please support always. Okay, so today this strategy is mainly for intraday. As I said before, this is my channel, and let's see the intraday strategy. This is my Zerodha account. So what we do is like you have to the condition for this strategy is for this is mainly intraday strategy. The condition for this strategy is mainly where you are focusing on 30 minutes time frame, where you're focusing on 30 minutes time frame. So this is mainly mainly intraday, mainly for intraday purpose. So you can trade it on cash market or futures, and it depends on your choice what you want to do. And it's a kind of breakout strategy where you can apply it for it. So this is the NSE website. See the live market and get into the equity stock. The condition, what is the condition? I said, as I already said, we are going to see in 30 minutes time frame, and if the market is positive, you're focusing on the positive side. You have to follow the trend, what the market what the Nifty goes in that direction. So see the percentage change. You have to see the percentage change. The stock lies between 0.5 to 0.5 to 1%. It's definitely probably like 2 to 4 stocks will be always there. So if the Nifty is positive, just focus on 0.5 to 1% stocks, and 0.5 to 1% stocks would be Hindustan Unilever, Tata Motors, Cipla, and Asian Paints. So pick those 4 stocks. Pick these 4 stocks. It's not compulsory you have to pick all the stocks. Try to pick 2 stocks. Try to pick 2 3 stocks and keep it here. And see, for example, Hindustan Unilever is here. Okay, Hindustan Unilever, that's 0.5 to 1%. These 4 stocks lies between 0.5 to 1%. If Nifty goes positive side, you can pick these stocks. If Nifty goes negative side, you can pick the negative side stocks. See why I'm choosing this kind of condition like 0.5 to 1%, because I'm not focusing on more than 1%. Because if the stock gives more than 1%, definitely we can't say it's not going to move completely other side. So the thing is like just focusing on 0.5 to 1% stocks. So Hindustan Unilever is there. I took Cipla as well as Asian Paints. Just go to Hindustan Unilever. Okay. Apply the breakout strategy. See the first candle. The high is 2140 and low is 2104. The 2140 doesn't break anywhere, right? See the first. This is 30 minutes time frame. The first 30 minutes doesn't break. Like, see the next candle, the 2104, keep it as 10 paise as a buffer point. So 2104 is breaking, right? It's broken. It's almost given 9 points, close to 9 points. So keep it as like 30% or 40% as a target. Depends on your choice. I'm saying that because I usually tell my students to fix the 40% target, and it's up to you. You can fix 30 to 35 or 40% as a target. This is a kind of strategy you can apply it anywhere, any stocks, any future segments. Let's see Cipla. Again, this stock lies between 0.5 to 1%. This is 30 minutes time frame, as I already said. 9:15, the candle high was 745.20 and low was 739.60. Keep it as 10 paise buffer point, and 745.20 high got broken. Immediately got 3 to 5 points. So almost like 745, almost, guys. See if it is very very close. Almost you got 13 points. So try to fix. So what the stock moves and what is the Cipla, keep 30 to 40% as a target. Definitely your target definitely will reach today. Yeah, might have reached today. And see the Asian Paints again. Okay, let's again 9:15. See this 9:15 strategy. The low didn't got broken. The low was not broken. 213 was not broken anywhere else. See. And the high was 2160.5. Keep it as 10 paise buffer point, and definitely 2160 got broken here, again here, and 2 times got broken again after like 230, that is 245 to 3. it almost like 40 points. Wow, that's 40 points in a single 30 minutes time frame. It's a 30 minutes candle, you got 40 points. That's a huge vaulted demand. So this is a strategy where you can backtest it, and if you have any doubts, please comment it, like it, and please let me know through WhatsApp or Telegram, and make sure your channel has got subscribed to ensure my videos, all the things are coming to table. Yeah, so stay tuned to Sandhai Page, and this is a pure intraday strategy. You're using upline for 30 minutes time frame for both cash market as well as futures, so you can apply it and backtest it, and if you have any doubts, please comment it. Yeah, thanks a lot. Bye bye, take care.